This is a beehive in the grotto. They have their beehive on the left side of the grotto. The workers are now bringing in honey. They have gathered from around the mountains nearby. As you can see on their feet, that white thing there. On their feet, those are honeys that they're bringing inside this beehive. Outside you will see workers fanning their wings. Their function is to cool the place, and they do that by fanning their wings. As you can see, there are a lot of honeys being brought in by the workers who just came in getting honey from nearby mountains. That's really a lot, because everyone getting in has a load full of honey on their feet. Great colony, very busy. Indeed, a very busy colony.